This development has never been done under the MPs, including Tongi as one of the MPs, or Osetie Kerasi Kiaro Jiruabali, Yali Amali Primary, Gio, Nakimani Canetara, Oseti in the Miaka community. Lakini in 4 years, he has done a lot. Or else Chicho 9, Chicho 28, Chibugade Virasi, in AG Miranguene. Or else the police line AP, AM. Or else the office chief. Or else the Okori renovation in several schools. Evirasi Okori renovation in 66. That is the development we want. That is the leader we want. Of course, tuwaibu machera, lakini development is on. Development is on. So, to that far, I think that is what people should look at and see it properly. Kera muta etukole tu mbungo onde, morete nera tebe bintu pia yakole. Auze sera zake, nimejenga hii, nimebakisha hii. Lakini sio kukuja atio huyu sio kara yetu, huyu sio kara yetu. Wakati alipewa kura alikuwa kara gani? Si alikuwa Mkenya. So and alichukua kura ambazo hatujawahi pigiwa hapa Nyaribari Church. Therefore, I recommend the people who voted, and I do again recommend that they will vote so. Mr. Chanda orosi chukura chai. Abandi na mwenye kuminyoka iga. Muna mwenye kuminyoka na inu minyoka. But Chanda orosi chukura chai. Yako ende miaka ya 10 ukokora abandi mumanye kunyagoja abamukunya kubugiye bitako rumayaga na inu karatuli na aratuleti muganga Chanda ajagetigo. Chanda started long time ago, that is 2017 Taira, 2022 Taira, 2022 Akaira, 2013 Taira. So na inu bare miyake ijimara katatu muralira maide mwanya kosera wa samoyi bya samoku nejinge jinge. Chanda has tried as much as he can to change Nyaribari Church chipara chiro chin chiamesiri.